An 8-meter board is cut into two pieces. One piece is 2 meters longer than the other. How long are the pieces? In this problem, we are actually given a diagram which helps us to see the situation. The 8-meter board is labeled, and there are two pieces labeled. One is labeled length x, and the other is labeled length x plus 2. So for the familiarize step, we'll simply write down formally what these stand for. We'll let x and x plus 2 represent the lengths of the pieces, and the units will be in meters. To translate this, we think of how x and x plus 2 are related to 8. Well, the length of the shorter piece plus the length of the longer piece has to equal, or is, the length of the board. Oh, that's it. I didn't write the word lengths, but the length of the shorter piece plus the length of the longer piece is the length of the board. The shorter piece, we said, had length x, plus the longer piece, we said, had length x plus 2, translates to equal, and the board is 8 meters long. So we have an equation, x plus 2 equals 8. To solve that equation, we first collect terms on the left side. X plus x is 2x, so we have 2x plus 2 equals 8. And then we subtract 2 from both sides, and we get 2x equals 8 minus 2 is 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we have x equals 3. So for the lengths, we have 3 meters, and x plus 2 then would be 5 meters. Now we need to check our answer as step 4. To check, first of all, notice that 3 plus 5 is 8, so the boards, these two pieces put together, would equal the larger board. 3 meters plus 5 meters is 8 meters, and also the longer piece, 5 meters, is 2 meters longer than the shorter piece, 3 meters. So that fits all the criteria that's given in the problem. So the answer is check, and we can state our answer clearly. The pieces are 3 meters and 5 meters long.